We are in Home Bargains, guys, and we will home base. Ah, yeah, Home Bargains, home base. So we will. Oh, look at this, 235. You want to sit? It's too small, or it's okay. It's good size. Yeah. Yeah, 200 only. Look at it. What do you think? Is it good or not? Yeah. What do you think? It's small. It's enough. How about this one? 550. 550. This one is okay, or it's too big. Actually, that one is. I preferred like this kind of the size a little.
So you can lay down?
Yeah, you can lie down also. But that one I
can lay down and I can lay down.
Preferred that, but 900. Yeah, you can lie down, I can lie down. And we can eat. Yeah. This one 400 for 12. This one. But the problem, you cannot lie down.
Some of them are expensive.
Yeah. Dami magaganda dito sa home base, pero yung pinunta lang namin talaga dito is yung vase, kasi dito lang may vase na malaki. But kailangan din namin ng sofa kasi naghanap kami, pero I don't know, let's see. And then let me check their plants kung may mga magaganda sila. And it's black. I'm okay with black, gray, white. I'm okay, but not that brownish, antique-y that it's like, what is this?
Maybe let's start from there.
And they have also, I want to know their prices, because I always see home base as expensive a bit. Yeah, but what is this?
Yeah. Like that.
What?
Bamboo. Pineapple. Some palm trees as well.
Yeah. Oh, they have even, what is this? This is the one, yeah? That is like almost same with palm tree, but not.
More or less. Yeah, like this one. We have this one, yeah? This one.
Oh, yeah.
The one we have.
Yeah. But that's nice. Oh, look at, they have ceramic also. Imagine if you can see here. But you search already, yeah? So there will nothing.
Even if they have it.
But you know, if that big, if it's this same color with this, I'm okay with it. But it's just like so old, that's why I didn't. Yeah. But this one, you don't like this also. Like this. How much is this? 30 cm. Why I cannot see prices? Proper price of them. It's hard to see price.
30.
Oh yeah. And look at, they have a stepping stone there. Let's see how much is the price. Because anyway we are here. This is £10. 2 for 20.
Oh, they have like that, like white rock, but bigger.
Yeah, can we get?
Bigger, yeah?
Yeah, can we get this also?
Like that.
Yeah. You think can we get? To mix it, like some big, some small? Maybe this is for the palm tree, it's good. Because it's
just normal rocks and they paint it.
Look, it's the prices.
So.
I try to lift itong mga ano dito, stepping stone. Ano siya, £7, and this one it's 350. But oh, you can lift. Why? That one is so heavy, yeah. It's like more solid.
There's nothing there.
Yeah, nothing, but it's heavy for me. Yeah, but it's later. It's now so heavy already. Then we so well, and this rocks is enough for now. You know. Tapos almost na kami guys. So nakuha na namin yon kasi click and collect yung vase na yon kasi nga we decided na wag na lang ceramic kasi mahirapan kami sa ceramic, and 200 yung ceramic, 200 each yung gusto namin na ceramic, and then so it's like 200 magiging 400 na, and palm tree, and then we are not sure if yung mga bata doon is they will be careful or not. So oh my god, tingnan nyo, meron akong bruised ganyan. But anyway, uwi na kami. 1 hour travel to home kasi nga malayo to sa bahay, ang home base na to. Meron kaming home base doon na malapit, 3, pero wala silang pot na ganito. So yan lang, hindi ko siya after nito, aalis kami after ng school Alexander is we will go to buy his trainers kasi maliit na yung ni Alexander trainers. So pupunta kami ng JD Sports, and at the same time also we will we will go to B&M para bumili ng bus kasi I promise sa kanya ng bus. So yan lang guys. Bye. Look at guys, we are here in B&M and they have this 10-pound Salix Flamingo. Looks so nice. We'll grab this. I like this a lot. It's flamingo. Flamingo, babe.
Okay. So
Yeah. I will buy
what is
2.
flamingo?
Flamingo, it's like, you know, flower. You want I show you the picture? This one. I show you the picture more. Salix Integra
Okay, so
Flamingo.
let's take 2 and let's go, babe.
Okay, can you find a nice one? Don't worry.
Okay, so no restaurant, babe, yeah? So,
It's okay also, no restaurant. Yeah, it's okay also if you don't want.
No,
I have
not
chicken
that
there.
I don't want.
I have chicken.
There's no time anymore.
I have chicken.
Because I knew it's gonna be like this, babe.
Just this too. Okay, no need get it, I think. Maybe next time because I need to research. But I think they're okay with the pot. No, not this one. Like with something already. You know, guys, ang dami naming soil. It's 6 and it's like 30 liters pack. So I don't know if we have space. If we don't have space, we put it in the, you know, in the front.
Then you carry it.
Yeah. Yeah, dami kasi. I need to get it. Sobrang guys, sobrang dami ng things sa sasakyan. Kaya hindi ko na lang binili muna yung flamingo kasi yung flamingo, mura lang siya actually, 10 pound. The problem is wala nang space at hindi naman siya super heavy, so I can grab it next time. Maybe Thursday I'll come here. I'll grab it. Yeah? Nandito si Alexander ay kasi bibilan ko na siya ng shoes. But he's a bit sick. So I think we need to go home as quick as we can. Kumakain na si Alexander ay. Is it good? It's hot? Okay. Ito kasi yung meal. And then this juice, you want I open it for you or you do it? Yeah? That one also. Throw it directly. No need touch the bin. Okay. We need to buy the shoes. It's here. Shoes first, I told you. Your shoes first. Your PE shoes. And then after that, Primark. And then your bus. It's here. Let's go. It's tight din sa kanya. Oh my God. Ang hirap. Maano ni Alexander. Ito kaya. Size ano to. Kasi para pang PE nila. I don't know if pwede ito. Size 11. I think this is size 10. We will try this. And then we'll try this. Okay? Let's see. Look, ang dami ko nang pinasuot kay Alexander. Ayaw niya lahat. Look at the face. Why you don't choose this?
Because it's very tight.
Hey, don't do that. You didn't pay for it.
I'll try to find the bus. I can see it.
Can see it? Is it the one that you like?
Yeah. But there's no difference now.
Oh, don't worry. Soon they will have different. We come back here. Okay? Okay, and
Do you
then
want to see the actions?
okay.
This is the fun. This is the driving. This is the parking. This is opening the door.
Mm-hmm.
Let's put another system.
Okay. Yes, Alexander, happy. Are you happy with your bus?
Yes, but I can't carry it.
You cannot carry it? Okay, let me carry it. Yan. It's 13 pounds. Actually, I'm thinking to buy sana another one. Kaso nga lang, red lang yung color nila. So, just this one na lang. Nakatulog si Alexander kasi nag-shopping kami. So, after namin mag-Burger King, actually siya lang pala kasi busog ako. Nag-Burger King, pumunta kami ng JD Sports. Tapos wala sila yung fit kay Alexander. Ayaw kasi ni Alexander talaga ng shoes na so like mahirap siyang suotin. Gusto niya yung easy lang, yung siya lang. And then after that, we went to B&M. Bumili siya nito nung bus. Nasaan ba yung bus niya? Nandito. Actually, eto sana gusto niya kasing maihi kasi eto, it's like 2,420. So, pwede akong bumili ng another one sana para 20 pound din. I mean, 20 pound tapos dalawa na. Actually, na naman siya super laki na bus. Maliit lang siya. Yan. So, dalawa sana yung bibilihin ko. Tapos, sabi ko, okay no, I will choose another one. Yung iba naman, parang racing or something. Tapos, finally, isa na lang yung binili ko. Kasi sayang din, 3 pound din. But I'm thinking kasi, hindi naman talaga mahilig si Alexander sa ibang mga ano, bus lang talaga. Pero pwede sana bus, dalawa sana. Tapos ibigay ko sa iba, sa relatives yung ibang bus yan. Na-open siya. Tapos nako-close. Tapos may music din to. Tutulog kasi si Alexander. Pagod na pagod. So I think I need to carry him na lang sa bahay. Pagod na pagod siya guys. After school kasi, usually talaga after school, pagod talaga yan siya. Maraming ginagawa sa school.